Hey guys, this is a video about uh, a free tool that I use to make book mockups, and they didn't pay me for it. I just find that you may be interested in it, whether you want to know what kind of tools I use or if you want to use those kind of tools yourself. So this is the website, DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. So the first things that I do is to choose my template. So you have those options. You can use the tablets, the print books, or the phone. I want to use this one, and I'm going to click next, and I'm going to browse my book cover. I'm going to take this and click open and upload. And now I can click next, and they have done it already. I'm gonna click this PNG right here, and now I have the image. So this is it. Since I selected the PNG format, this image has transparent background, so I can easily copy and paste it to any design that I have, whether it's on PowerPoint or on Canva. It's really easy to use and it's free.